Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish muna.
Sino love ko?
Yay! Sorry.
Kiss. Kiss. Ikaw naman tumis. Kira pa.
So what's up guys? Kakagising lang natin, no? Time check is 9 a.m. So our vlog for today's video is surprise si Mama. Napaka Andiyan na, mamaya na lang.
Pinagplanahan na talaga namin ni Kuya ng nakaroon pa para i-surprise si Mama. Nag-aya sa akin si Mama na grocery kami para sa tindahan niya. At siyempre sasama tayo para hindi mahalata.
Siguro kung sinabi ko, may ma'am, akala ko may pabirthday kayo sa akin. Birthday kita naman.
Kawawa ka naman pala, hindi ka narigaran. So, pauwi na kami guys. And dahil di pa rin tapos magsalita. Hindi niya alam yung surprise namin siya mamaya. Smile ma. Smile. Ang pangit ng ngiti mo. So what's up guys? Time check is 5:17. So kasama ko pinsan ko si Ryan. Kasama sa mag-surprise sa amin. Can't wait to surprise you, Mama. I love you so much. You're the best mom ever. Let's go. Birthday Mama. Para sa ito. Unang bilhin namin. Pichi for you. Wow! The best mom. Ulit itong pagkain ng Pinoy. So, nandito tayo guys sa Angel's Pizza. Kita nyo naman, napakaangas, pangalan pa lang. Let's go. Pizza ng mga Pilipino. Let's go. Angel's Pizza. Kaway ka, Ray. Kaway.
Papa Punter na kami ng FT para bumili ng cake. At sunduin pa yung isa naming pinsan.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Favorite Terraces. Habang hinihintay namin yung isa namin kasabwat, si Layla Yvonne, order muna kami. Ay, sama na tayo, order sa... Late ka na naman.
Wala ko.
Let's go. Yes, kasama ko yung aking dalawang pinsan. So, ang last namin bibilin ay cake. Siyempre, di mawawala yung cake sa birthday, di ba? Kasi, nagiging special yung birthday lang naman kahit cake lang yung handay. Diba? Yung iba nga, cupcake, masaya na. So, let's go! Kaya kayo guys, pag meron kayong mabait na parents, dapat nire-regaluhan natin palagi. Kasi sila yung ilaw ng tahanan natin. So, kung kaya-kaya na ng budget nyo, bilan natin sila. Why not, diba? So, let's go. Nandito kami ngayon sa Red Ribbon. Bibilan na natin ang ating nanay na si Maria Victoria Capuso.
Anong cake?
Mango roll.
Sana.
Pasok. Let's go. Happy birthday sa iyo, mama. Para sa itong cake. Serve mo ito. So let's go guys. Tapos na ang aming orders. Thank you sa Red Ribbon. Sponsored by Red Ribbon.
Who is sponsor? Hey, manifest.
O yeah, Red Ribbon Sponsored.
Manifest naman.
Wow, perfect daw siya. Very good. Uy.
Mamaya sa tricycle wala na sa laman.
Pauwi na kami guys. Lega, kapan mo na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
At ayon, Pawi na kami.
Tapos na kami. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Ready na yung pang surprise. Mama, happy birthday. I love you so much. Ikaw masaya mama.
Happy birthday, Mama Tata. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hey, 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 hey.
Bigyan.
Flowers. Flowers for you.
I love you. Dance. Dance. Ano ba tong nadarama? Happy birthday Mama Tata. Saan yung mukulit? Happy birthday. Pababa na kami guys. Bye-bye. Ready na kami guys. Happy 55th birthday Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
5 years old ka, di ba?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow the candle. 1.
Ready? Let's go.
Make a wish muna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
naman eh. Kiss, kiss.
Happy birthday.
Ikaw naman, Ma. Ikaw naman kiss. Ikaw naman kiss kay Papa.
Happy birthday to
Ano masabi mo kay Mama pa? Ano masabi mo?
Ready? Let's go.
Happy birthday, mahal ko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Ayaw mo nun?
birthday to
At least tumagal, di ba? Ayaw nga pala, salamat kay Ete bumili ng ticket last year pa to.
Happy
Yours, M. Celeste.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Ganda ng flowers niya. Order na kayo dito, guys. Napakaganda. Aesthetic yung mga flowers nila.
I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being